See very heavy rain and strong gusty winds after 3 o'clock in the morning. We'll see wind gusts over 55 miles an hour in areas just north of Atlanta. Could see wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour. That is nearly hurricane strength winds moving through some of the northern suburbs. So let me take you hour by hour. Again, already starting to see some rain out there, but the heaviest rain moves in after 3 a.m. By 4 o'clock in the morning, that rain is widespread over North Georgia with very heavy downpours. Continues through the 5 o'clock hour, the 6 o'clock hour, the 7 o'clock hour. By 8 o'clock, it does move out. So from 3 to 8, that's when we will see the heaviest rain. The heaviest rain moves out. We'll start to see a few light sprinkles in the early afternoon, but by 4, 5, 6 p.m., the rain will be over and done with. That tropical storm warning continues. This is where we are expecting tropical storm force winds. That's winds of 40 miles an hour or higher. That does include all of metro Atlanta and northwest Georgia. As the system moves in, it will bring very strong winds. So here's that wind forecast. For tonight, we're seeing 10, 15, 20 mile an hour wind gusts. They'll pick up over the next couple of hours. So things will go downhill very quickly over the next couple of hours. And by 3 in the morning, we're going to see those 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts in West Georgia. By 5 o'clock, 50 mile an hour wind gusts in Atlanta. By 5 o'clock in the morning. And then those 50 mile an hour wind gusts move east of Atlanta by 7 in the morning. It will remain windy for several hours. Winds will start to die down after 10 a.m., although it will remain windy through the rest of the day. That will combine with very heavy rainfall, 2 to 4 inches of rain expected. For the most part, we'll see those 2 to 3 inches right along I-85, and that coupled with the incredibly strong winds means scattered power outages across much of metro Atlanta. We will see trees down. We will see power lines down early tomorrow morning. So here's what we're expecting. Wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour. This storm was stronger, making landfall. It is still a hurricane. Because of that, we have upped the winds expected for tomorrow morning. The strongest winds between 3 and 8 in the morning. On top of that, we will see 2 to 4 inches of rain. So again, trees and power lines down as that heaviest rain starts to move on in. Once it moves out, things improve quickly. We will stay dry through the weekend and early next week. No issues for Halloween or Election Day, but it will be chilly. Tomorrow we will be in storm mode starting at 4 o'clock on Wake Up Atlanta as the strongest winds move in.
All right.